All right, good morning and welcome to Porcupine Stand here on YouTube. Good morning, good afternoon. Yeah. Ladies and gentlemen, I welcome you all to this particular page. And I be Asante Kotoko komo. Ye chichim, ye den sem pi be bremo na kos and then sem bibri ne kutaye. But Oba, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Wow, share me. Just hit on the subscription button. Na mami says here. Oh, boso mami. Na embwama ye nkomodie no. Enko yie. Now I'm on this particular platform in grow. So hit on the subscription button, no mame. Now what turn notification on because they say more consistency now by about battle to associate chop and edika but now there is the consistency where we are giving you the news, the accurate one back to back to back to back. Well, and then yeah, then someone about as usual, the question of the day. I tell Bisani yourself. Asemo Tabisa pa. And then the question for I know then ever. If you have been given the chance to sign one player for Asante Kotoko, league ya boy, one player locally. We a Juma and pay I'm sorry near the Bremen Ameya. If you have been given the chance to sign one player locally from any Ghana Premier League team, player when I sign the Asante Kotoko. That is the question of the day. One player, Ghana Premier League, sign Asante Kotoko. And for the idea. Position being and a player being I'll be signing. While we have Kotoko team, we have the weaknesses, the strength of the Kotoko team, the deficiencies in the Kotoko team one. Position being and I'll be fan a player being and a club no bono. I'll be fan a man I'll be see a kind. And Asante Kotoko. That is the question of the day. Welcome to Porcupine Stand. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Maybe bro, and I'll look at the Asante Kotoko youth team. One update to her Kotoko Mediema game no back on. With the whole details, bro. Asante Kotoko visit to Manhyia update about with the Bemau. And other key news because team no year training and Ntiano hon son sem asese me de mawo na boama bibia etimi koye meba hisia. So the Kotoko team is in to have their afternoon training. For the past 6 weeks, Asante Kotoko player be no awetimi awram in player of the week. The Ghana Premier League match the new year. Hunya Kotoko player awram in player of the week. Dentia. Say Nansen Asante Kotoko team no modern mono were form papa. Intina M1 Kotoko player of the week in Mumura. But the good news is Enoch Morrison, our boy, as a deep line playmaker. That was the new coach Ogum. Edema Morrison. To hear back four now. Nicolas Osebo, Sukote, Harry Ansu, and Yusuf Nuruddin Ode. Enoch Morrison, General Impaired. In Tiwasha, Coach Ogum, Ewan, the second Kotimo, the center backs near Bobo Nako, anymore Motai, Amunyana right. The ability of the center backs to pass well, but they are very good when it comes to the short passes. Good. Now, Usha Morrison as a number 10. I know Dini Juma can face a one turn away number 10 as always positional awareness. Your ability to separate yourself from the crowd. The players no group where we watch on, no better pass. And with the vision, no, what about to baby, no create chance the amateur team no. Into the Morrison Bejina defenders, and the men will be a win. Obi no aje pass no. Into Emma Nuruddin and Henry Ansu mo pass a channel and said I because no babeje. And he was the man of the game and our man of the match, the warrior of the match. At the end of the day, Ghana Premier League ye players of the week. Good news is Abrante Feno, Enoch Morrison, etimi ewuremu onya the team of the week no ewura coach no has some of what and other players are make the squad the Morrison about so hope say consistency be adwuma. Because I remember say Coach David Duncan say a winning team is a team that have won more than one game. It's a team winning one match. You team from a winning team. So Kotoko Omo winning against Samatex, but omo back to back ain't me from a winning team. Until the omo yeah no, omo so in the other matches at Dominim. So Yambo Morrison Abaso, you won the man of the match where Ghana Premier League team of the week. Well, and yeah, story no before Asante Kotoko officially published say Kotoko Bebo Great Olympics in the Sheikh Sharibu 2 Cup. That's the Chief Imam Cup. There were a lot of conversations behind the scenes because now amount for Nomjidi said at this moment, the current form of Asante Kotoko is not worth it. Say Kotoko ever bought a friendly game. But again, we share the Chief Imam Cup swap. Now you almost Nomjidi said there will be huge blessings to Asante Kotoko if they honor the Chief Imam. Where Kotoko team a lot of Muslims won't pa. Is the Chief Imam of Kanshi and Semo Gomabra Bosone, one more than Bakuya. Kotoko spiritually, Omomujidi said, you know, this particular car participating in it, no one say it will benefit spiritually for Kotoko. Now, Lad Ibrahim Yusuf Norodin, na Ure Chirewa Sharif Muhammad Munyina, a Muslim, Ewo Kotoko team no Dawuni Yaya, na Okwe Nimho. You get a lot of players from Munyina Muslim, Baba Yaya Munyina. You know, Mun say necessary, but the organizers not too much na shada. And for now, communication behind by Kotoko Media Saturday. Can only say this weekend in the Ghana Premier League, all matches will be played on Saturday and Sunday and Monday rather. There is no Ghana Premier League this Sunday because the FA taking decision said Dream Service match against Zamalek. Let's see a man all attention. Looking at the coefficient in the system, coefficient out why also our CAF ranking. If Dream Service are able to win the CAF Confederations Cup, points on Benyama Ghana no, you bet me assign Nigeria home. As you see, I bet me the 4 teams akwa Pimo or the CAF Champions League and the CAF Confederations Cup 2 ebe koha na 2 akoha. Into a national project. Into Sunday, no Ghana Premier League, just Dreams versus Zamalek. Don't forget the game, no. Penning for ABA Frigate or Popular Stand in the center live. VIP are 20 cities and 50 cities. That's the wings and the VIP proper respectively. Into Sakotokobo Mediama on Saturday. Into Nyame adom afiada Kotoko betu kwan nti ene Kotoko be train no china on be training ti the itinerary besesa because all bo match on Saturday I won't mean training Friday and same two kwan takwa de mostly edru ha team ni nye training anopa omo two kwan go straight no akwa rest because if you am betu afri Kotoko training na be ko training be 8 and 7 crab be pon be 8 time be na place be ba dress ni ade. So for now what I know is that likely it's a Friday Kotoko training. By the close of the day, I will get a confirmation for you on that story. But I know you're unconfirmed one. But because of Kotoko Midiama and your master game, no basso Saturday 3 p.m. at Takwa. Enti Shannon Somame. Not Memphis answer to Kotoko Timono. Meaning said, Nra. That is Tuesday. Now Utiem come a course so Manhyia. Facheme me call fast kakra. Data no 170. Now till come a course woman Shana Safata Asante Kotoko team no moving forward. Now I say Omoko boss Samatex. No muvia ombesan kofi kesiem. From what I'm picking, that meeting be delay kakra because there were certain key issues a PM during their visit to Fikesiem. It has been handed over to the IMC to fix it. Emubi the omo edema circles no. That is on Monday, Ebra. National circles, any Asante region circles and Tawantawa. Na eda sa ekuomi anyway. The IMC led by Nana Penkra Akwesi Wesyomo, our secretary ni omo solve issue ni nyina. Ansa na omo wi omo kopie mo e wa adakwaja nti ambusu solve issues ni bi. Nti omo solve fa kese na de ebeji omo nsem no ana ebra meeting ni beba. Don't forget the celebration the cost of kese. Nti how a tight kakra. The IMC ni di djuma na kakra beka no eduru ani ato ensa de afre the key parties involved na omako fikesiem akako solve those relevant issues. And no update meeting no for now enya de beba so this week. So we me this story no at the MAO. Now say Ghana Premier League no and Ghana FA. Oman name a lot of national teams. You see who under 16, under 17, under 18, who under 20 and who under 23. The good news that Maso when you Germany be here together with Abdullah Ghazali for national under 23, former Asante Kotoko. Osha under 19. The Ababe show opinion a friend Kasim Mengo. I'll run you through that later. But this draws my attention to the Asante Kotoko youth team. Now, in the beginning of the month, and our last month, much more, and I'm bear story say Asante Kotoko youth team no. Dear men say can you say April ever started. Now, on say yente ho asem bia enti na ama amanfo gidie won sem no e form. Bibure akire do most compare the news on Asante Kotoko youth team. Opinion friend Asare. Benson Asare. Asante Kotoko, main youth team coach, supported by Imo Ibrahim. We mu nyina eka ogum ho. A list of things they need. Send ebema Asante Kotoko youth team no embe flash in a pan, embe ye atiebi ebetwa mu akọ. And they've presented this list to the IMC. Now, the Mensa can say this week, last week so kahon, Brana Kotoko ye ne kosono. Kotoko IMC no kofi kesi no. There was a conversation, a course so into much details. A man penny for transisi konya bobo pa about the Asante Kotoko youth team. Na sika esefata se de ma the IMC. Send on betimi agina so atoto neoma youth team ni here. For now, accommodation won't send me beside any news whether they will come the players or not. But you can't catch us that there will be a justify your inclusion. Which official announcement very, very soon. I repeat, very, very soon. But Ansana Ebebasono, the youth team Yan and Yoma, different from the senior team. And your senior team Yoma never be used for the youth team. And Untino and Kram and Sakani said last week Asante Kotoko free fikesiemu on Thursday no. Memene dan penny for started so mo to ton Yoma. The Sabram no kase okwa Asante Kotoko secretariat youth team no hon Yoma no mo hia no. Oma to bia kwa akuku ho. Eneni ochena ombekoso atodi aka no. Enti omo plan ni nyina behind the scenes we are as an official communicate as to the justify your inclusion for the Asante Kotoko youth team no. Omo di aba abonten na ama obia hu de ekoso na edru ha na players are also gidi so betimi akono the procedure and the roadmap no akwa could difficulty ama approve aba so the roadmap will also be published. I'm fair no so ntato because you cannot chere me apart from any of here no roadmap no so akwa me approve nti no so ho nsensem beba and that is something na our Kotoko youth team na me remfi mawuramu akwa akofa ede abrem Abdul Fatal Safiu signed a contract by Kotoko in January. The contract was terminated by Asante Kotoko. Case no eko PFAG. Omene Kotoko nya a lot of engagement. Eko duru brebi no Kotoko and PFAG decided that case no more fan player status committee. Rather they will try and fix the issue of you. Unfortunately, anoba abaye na course wo fie and tinye nwie peye. The na branch FN Abdul Fatal Safiu pe. Any the na Asante Kotoko ready so mema Fatal no. Na inchinuasho kakra ho na ebo awura. Emma at the end of the day no, it was decided say the parties no entimi amba to an amicable settlement. Therefore, Abdul Fatal Safiu decided say Asante case ne back to the player status committee. And opea meeting Kotoko komo Asante Kotoko aso ye no. Minyane ntie say Omudi said they did the right thing. They are still emphasizing on that. And they are ready to meet the player everywhere. Ebrenti, Fatal Safiu nkomo and who details bebre no mentimi amboboso ye. But what I'm telling you is that the case is back on. The story is true. From the player's point in Koma idea, the case is back on. And in the coming weeks, expect a lot from Asante Kotoko and Abdul Fatal Safiu. Fikesiem any foot from the IMC near say no more pese asem no e be drag no na akoye SMP but settlement rent me amba no Fatal will say Asante case me on case no officially my sources in the FA also catch them say the nyan logic case no but sources close to the player say or the case no call but the nyan could do player status committee a lot is in that story but the brain team I'm fair we agency na anumre around 3-4 when I will may get that other stories so hot ones be na media no so aba abeso mo na menka nyina ho bye bye